Move into your new home with fewer allergy triggers by preparing the space before and during the move. Start with a thorough, deep clean of carpets and rugs using a hot water extraction method or professional steam cleaning to remove embedded dust mite waste and pollen. For heating and cooling systems, schedule a professional duct cleaning if ducts are visibly dusty, and vacuum accessible vents. Replace filters with high minimum efficiency reporting value filters rated for allergen capture, and follow the manufacturer guidelines for fit and change intervals. Inspect and address any moisture or mold sources by checking basements, around windows, and under sinks, and use a detergent and water scrub or a dilute vinegar solution for small areas. If mold covers more than about 10 square feet, consider hiring a remediation specialist. Wash or launder curtains, bedding, and soft toys upon arrival in hot water where fabric care allows, and dry completely on high heat or sun to kill mite populations. If you are installing flooring, prefer hard surfaces such as tile, vinyl, or sealed hardwood which do not trap allergens like carpeting does, and use tight-fitting area rugs that can be washed frequently if you want softness underfoot. Set up 1 or 2 high-efficiency particulate air purifiers in sleeping and living areas, sized to the room square footage, and run them continuously at a moderate speed for best reduction of airborne allergens. People often move in without cleaning the heating and cooling system and then see persistent symptoms. Fix this by cleaning ducts or at least changing to a high minimum efficiency reporting value filter and running the system with fresh filters for several days. A second common issue is unseen mold around windows and in basements that triggers reactions. Solve this by inspecting for moisture, repairing leaks, removing contaminated materials when needed, and treating small growths promptly with appropriate cleaners. Third is bringing in allergens on clothing, bedding, and soft furnishings during the move. Mitigate that by laundering textiles on arrival, keeping shoes at the door, and using sealed containers or new boxes for sensitive items. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and source practical advice for tasks like deep cleaning and mold remediation. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host a discussion community so members can share experiences and ask specific questions about preparing a new house for allergy season.